How to use the Caesars Rewards program. If you want to use the rewards program that Caesars Sportsbook offers, it is actually quite very simple to review those in detail. All we have to do is launch the Caesars Sportsbook application and make sure that you're signed into your account. So you can sign in by tapping the profile icon from the top right, entering your email and password and tapping on this login button there. Once you have done that, you can come to the promos tab to be able to view any type of reward or promotions that Caesars Sportsbook is currently running. Then once you find all those promotions, there you can see different type of rewards that they're offering. So for new users, you can bet $1 and double your winnings on your next 10 wagers, and you can see 50% live profit boost. You can see futures bet, and you can get all of these options. You can get 50% Parlay profit boost. You can get 30% UCL SGP profit boost. Over here, once you opt in to claim a 30% to use on any Champions League events, and you can see many of the reward programs that they have. So you can tap on the more info of a certain reward program, and then you'll be able to claim them in a similar manner. This way you'll be able to use the Caesars Rewards program. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.